Good morning, Bulldogs. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee. Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. You may be seated. Bulldogs, the value of this week is that we make no excuses. That means there is no reason why we shouldn't be learning every single day, and there's no reason why every single person in the school should not be on the road to college. College should be an opportunity that you have and a choice that you have. And it is really important to us that you get on grade level in order to make sure that you have no excuse to not go to college. And our Bulldog value is that we are determined that no matter how hard something is, we never give up. Because if we do give up, our road to college will be cut. And I know that every single one of you guys is going to go to college, is going to have the opportunity to go to college. And so we have to show that real determination in order to get there. So we should see Bulldogs meeting basic expectations. We've had the same expectations from day one of school. These are things that adults should not have to tell you about. Tucking in your shirt, making sure that all your jackets are idea jackets or you don't wear them in school, walking in the hallway silently, walking in the hallway and not running, making sure you complete your work. Basic expectations. No one should have to tell you to do these things. You do them because they're the right thing to do. Also, keeping small things small. We know that sometimes we make mistakes. We got to own it and move on. And showing all work and not rushing. This is going to be extremely important today, especially in 4th and 5th grade, as you all take your first IA of the year. Let's make sure we're keeping it at 100. Again, our big focus is answering on signal and following directions the first time. When we answer on signal, our teachers know exactly what we know and what we don't know, and they can help us. When we follow directions the first time, we maximize our learning time, and we can keep the class moving in a very efficient way. Want to wish Angel Padilla, Sky Mahara, and Daniel Gonzalez a very happy birthday. Hope you guys have a fantastic birthday. We're still working on putting together all of our perfect attendance folks for September, and then we will be having our raffle soon. Remember, Juliana Morales was our first millionaire. Are you guys reading those books? Are you taking your quizzes? Are you passing your quizzes? Who is going to be our next millionaire? 4th and 5th grade, today is a big day for you. Today is the first day that you work towards getting to Austin Park and Pizza. Remember, there's 2 ways you can go to Austin Park and Pizza. 1 is by passing all of your IAs, and then 2 is by being nominated by a teacher for the hard work that you are doing. Another thing we're going to be doing today is in 4th and 5th grade, teachers are going to be passing out tickets while you are working, and then at the end, those tickets are going to go into a raffle, and there's going to be 4 students who are picked from that raffle for some prizes at the end of the day. Let's make sure we're showing that really hard work. And on our writing test, make sure that you have your hook. Make sure you have your answer to your question, make sure you have your main idea statements, and make sure you have your details under your main idea statements. We have to make sure we write in a logical order. And for 5th grade science, you guys have been killing it with your win strategy on exit tickets lately. Let's make sure we are seeing all of that. Don't forget those key words that are really help you with your vocabulary. For example, when you see the word soluble, make sure you write the word dissolve next to it, right? Like things like that are going to be really, really important on your test today. Couple of quick announcements. Make sure we're showing pride in the building. Again, I want to see today students picking up trash. I also want to make sure kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade, we have to make sure we keep it extra silent in the hallways today because this is a big day for 4th and 5th grade testing, so that side of the building is going to be closed off for folks. We have after-school programs continuing today, and one thing Ms. Jane forgot to put on here is that we do have some special visitors in the building, and so if you see people walking into your classroom, again, they're just here to see how amazing the Bulldogs are, and so we just continue learning as is. Remember, all we do here at Allen is win. Today is going to be the first day we find out in 4th grade writing which college house is going to own this trophy, and in 5th grade science, which college house is going to own these large trophies. Have a great Wednesday, Bulldogs. See you guys around campus.